You own the product, you own the brand, you own the UPC, but Amazon won't let you sell the product. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy, and we're seeing this more and more. Somebody talked to us yesterday about this very product, and it's not currently online at Amazon. The images look like they were generated by Amazon, so it could be like an old school omni-channel product potentially. It's loaded into Amazon. There's 27 reviews in the system, not currently active, unclear if there's bullet points. So it's like an old ASIN. But in the last week, I've seen 3 brands contact my Amazon Guy and ask about a certain element, a la, I can't even sell my own product. So here are the potential solutions. First of all, make sure you have brand registry submitted. Now, many of you have already got that done and you're thinking, why would I start with this? Well, even if you have brand registry submitted, it may not be associated to that ASIN. So first thing you need to do is validate brand registries attached to the account. One of my favorite ways to do that is to go over to the brand store section. If the brand shows up, you typically will have brand registry associated to the account. After you do that, you need to see if it's associated to the ASIN, and most likely it isn't. Here is how to fix that. First of all, make sure the UPC is loaded to the GTIN field. Now, some of you are wondering, what's that? Well, that is the field that you load the code or the barcode to inside of Amazon. This shows up in the Seller Central edit information, and it also shows up on the packaging typically. Now, if you are selling a product with an FN SKU, you still need to have the UPC field filled into Seller Central to associate it to brand registry. For those of you who have a UPC exemption, I'm sorry to tell you this, but that is a terrible idea with Amazon's data. The UPC is the ultimate code that ties in all data together, and you really need that inside of Seller Central to associate it to brand registry. Now, if you've done both of those things, most of you are going to have this problem resolved by now. But for the very few of you who can't get it solved, even after the UPC is loaded, make sure, by the way, one extra step on that catalog. Do a catalog backup by going to myamazonguy.com/catalog and follow those steps there. Then do a template file upload with the UPC on the Excel file back into Seller Central. Sometimes if the UPC is showing up inside of the portal, doing a template upload will fix and refresh it as well. But make sure you don't have the ASIN in the GTIN field. That is insufficient, not good enough, okay? Now, if you've already done the catalog upload, you have the UPC present, brand registry's checking out, what else can you do? Well, at this point, you can fill out the application to sell the product and send in a cell phone picture. Grab your cell phone, not a Photoshop, not a beautiful photo, but an actual cell phone picture. I like my Pixel 9, by the way. And send that in, showing the brand name permanently affixed on the item. Now, I just have this random item on my desk right here, Van Houten, and that potentially is the brand name. And this is permanently affixed to the packaging. So having something like this submitted to apply to sell the item, even though it's yours and it's super frustrating, is sometimes a necessary step. Now, if you have a sticker instead of a permanently affixed logo, they will reject your ability to sell this item. They will consider it non-legitimate, okay? And this is part of the requirements to have brand registry. So if you submit a sticker logo to Amazon and they don't consider that permanently affixed, they may even revoke your brand registry. So be very careful. I have dealt with many brand registry revokes myself. It's not necessarily the most fun thing to go and fix. It takes weeks of filing applications and meeting with the Amazon brand registry team. They put you on a video conference. They have you bring inventory to showcase it on video, etc. Not a fun process. All right, so those are the steps to resolve the ability to sell your own product. You might have an application request you to sell that item. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. We have over 1,000 videos talking about catalog troubleshooting. Hit that subscribe button. If you need further help, go to myamazonguy.com/coaching for on-demand, free coaching on demand, available for hire at any time. Or you can talk to our sales team to get a free proposal. Talk to you soon. My Amazon Guy, Stephen Pope.